Hi, I'm Valerie Janice, the Outreach Resource Technician for Worksop ATP Library, and today in A Librarian Explains, we're going to be talking about Grammarly. Before we begin on Grammarly, I want to show you under the guides and resources on our landing page. And if you come under Students and then go to the Student Toolkit, it shows you how to access Grammarly. This icon here does not lead you to Grammarly itself, because in order to access Grammarly Premium, you need to email Sharon or Janice at olc.edu, your OLC email. You need to use your email, and then she'll add you to the list and you'll get a welcome email. So once you get that welcome email, it'll lead you to a page like this and you can log in. When you log in, then you'll see a page like this. And you have different apps. So if you come to apps, you can see that it's active for Windows for me, but you can also install. And then I also have Grammarly active for Microsoft Edge. So you just hit the install and it'll work for your Grammarly Edge and for your other things. This shows that Grammarly has access to this site. So it shows you right here, this little icon shows you Grammarly. But if I go to Grammarly, I can also come to this here and I can either just start typing my paper or I can take text and upload a document. So I've got a letter here that has some mistakes in it. So we're going to use this letter as an example. I'm going to paste it. So you can set your goals to figure out if you're doing general, academic, whether you're doing inform, tell a story. So you can break it down like that. We're just going to exit out of there. It shows you I have an 83 overall and it has some goals for me. So it says I need to add a comma. So I'm just going to click comma. It says we are able to change the wording. It says can instead of are able to. Reduce the amount of words we're using. So our correctness looks good. Our clarity looks good. Engagement needs a little bit more work. So it wants us to choose a different word for important. It wants us to choose a synonym for encourage. So I just click promote. And it wants us to choose a different word for amazing. So now our engagement is really good. Now on the bottom down here on the right-hand side, so you can see that I've got all check marks and now I've got a check mark there. So now we're going to do plagiarism so we can check to see, and it tells me that my text looks like it's 100% original. We have no matching text in our databases. So this shows me that the text is good. Now you can copy this and then drop it back into a Word document. But if you have Grammarly on your Word, you shouldn't have to switch back and forth between Grammarly. But what's really interesting about Grammarly too is it tells you right away that it has 70 words, 408 characters, 16-second reading time, 32-second speaking time, and 55 readability score. So it gives you a score about your different topics that you're covering, and you can work on your paper in Grammarly. Grammarly is a great tool for you. As an OLC student, it is free to you. So if you have any questions, please contact the librarians at Worksop ATP Library, and have a great day.